If you've made a payment through your Google account and need to request a refund, follow these straightforward steps to initiate the process. Step 1. Access your Google account. Log into your Google account using the credentials associated with the payment. Make sure you are on the correct account to avoid any confusion. Step 2. Navigate to the purchase history. Once logged in, go to the Payments and Subscriptions section. Here, you will find your purchase history, which lists all transactions made through your account. Step 3. Identify the transaction. Scroll through your purchase history to locate the specific transaction you want to request a refund for. Click on the transaction to view more details. Step 4. Request a refund. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the shrug.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your request, you will receive a confirmation email from Google regarding the status of your refund. Keep an eye on your email for updates, as it may take a few days for the refund to be processed. In conclusion, requesting a refund from your Google account is a simple process if you follow these steps. Make sure to check your email for updates and be patient as the refund is processed.